Hi, this is part 8 in this video series, Survival English. As a student in a whole English school, you find yourself challenged beyond your English abilities. If you are going to survive, you are going to have to know how to ask for help. You are in a math class. Math used to be your favorite subject, and you always did well in it. The teacher has taught some new concepts. The words he uses are confusing. The teacher has assigned homework pages from the textbook. You look at the questions and feel even more lost. The time has come to ask the teacher for help. You wait for your classmates to leave. The teacher sees you waiting. What can I do for you? I need some help. Okay, what's your problem? I don't understand some words. Okay, show me your notes. What does this word mean? Here are some important keys to remember. The teacher may not see you waiting. Be prepared to make the first move. Be clear about what you don't understand. The teacher may think you don't understand the concepts. If there isn't enough time to ask all your questions, schedule another time with the teacher. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see others like it, please hit the subscribe button below. Thank you.